recently, MMI has been exploring the implications of financial stress and the trends around that. And the literature on this is very clear. High levels of financial stress are associated with very negative health outcomes. So for instance, housing instability is associated with a higher risk of someone having to have a health crisis that sends them to the emergency room. It increases the likelihood of a mental health crisis specifically by more than 70%. Credit card debt specifically, and a great study by Duke showed that that increases the likelihood that someone will have a heart attack. It also increases the likelihood that someone will experience chronic pain, which is just awful. As we look at our own data, what we're seeing is a little bit of a disturbing trend. So we survey people and ask them about their financial stress before counseling and then their level of financial stress after counseling. And what we're seeing is really startling on that before counseling piece. We've seen an 18% increase in the number of people who are telling us that they're experiencing high or very high levels of financial stress before they go through counseling. So in 2020, it was about 57% of folks who said they had high or very high financial stress. And now in 2023, we're seeing it's about 67% of people. And that trend, that upward trend, has been very consistent in the intervening years. The good news, though, is we are finding that financial counseling can really turn that around. So in the period of about an hour, which is about how long counseling takes, we see an 86% consistently year after year, an 86% of folks who indicated that they had high or very high financial stress tell us they have moderate or better financial stress. And in fact, more than 60% every year tell us that they have no financial stress whatsoever, or they have very low financial stress as a result of counseling. And what that tells us is that just having a plan, talking to somebody about your debt, understanding what your options are, that's really the key to changing that financial stress and likely changing long-term health outcomes for folks. So if you or someone you love is experiencing high levels of financial stress, you can go to moneymanagement.org to learn more and find out how counselors can help relieve that financial stress for you.